Hello everyone! If you want to be enchanted by the scent of trees, make sure to visit this place in spring and see this beautiful house. Today, we're taking you to a house, or better yet, a magical garden in Iran, located in the city of Shiraz. This house belonged to the first Qavam al-Mulk, who became the governor of Shiraz in 1830. After his death, his son Ali Muhammad Khan Qavam al-Mulk took over, and that's when the construction of this house began. The house was completed during the time of the next Qavam, Muhammad Reza Khan Qavam al-Mulk. Today, due to the abundance of orange trees, this garden is also known as Naranjestan-i Qavam. In spring, the fragrance of orange blossoms fills the air. The garden and its mansion are considered some of the most beautiful and valuable relics from the Qajar era. Construction was started by Ali Muhammad Khan Qavam al-Mulk and finished by his son Muhammad Reza Khan Qavam al-Mulk in 1883. As you enter the garden, you'll notice a water channel running through the courtyard, leading all the way to the main building. On either side of the entrance, you'll find stone carvings of two Qajar-era soldiers holding rifles. Upon entering Naranjestan-i Qavam, you'll be amazed by 7 stunning forms of Iranian art and craftsmanship: stucco work, traditional painting, mirror work, brickwork, stone carving, marquetry, and wood carving. Every corner of the garden is adorned with these art forms, refreshing your soul. The mirror-clad ceilings and walls, the halls with captivating paintings, walnut wood doors and ceilings with marquetry, and finely carved stone pillars, all are a testament to the mastery of Iranian artisans, inspiring deep admiration in every visitor. The door itself is made of teak wood and is beautifully decorated with intricate wood carvings. The upper floor has 4 rooms, 2 of which are located at the back and have windows overlooking the porch. These rooms were previously used for accommodating guests. Without a doubt, this is one of the most beautiful historical spots in Iran, drawing countless tourists each year. A garden full of orange trees and vibrant, colorful walls and windows. This is Qavam, right in the heart of Shiraz. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to be notified as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos showcasing the wonders of Shiraz, this historic city in Iran.